Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we forget Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to forget your Wi-Fi network in your Samsung phone, so friends you can forget. And friends, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone. In this video we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to forget Wi-Fi network. Then guys scroll. Friends, you can see your phone connection setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on your Wi-Fi setting. Once you want to enable, you want to disable your Wi-Fi setting, you can enable, disable. From here you can use your Wi-Fi setting. As you can see your Mukesh Wi-Fi guys, I have guys connected and I want to forget this network, I don't want to use. So as you can see this auto reconnect guys, you want to on and you want to off, you can on and off from here guys. And guys you can see this Wi-Fi network setting. So as you can see your QR code option fans, and you can see guys your forget option, and tap here to forget this Wi-Fi network. And this Wi-Fi network we forget, and we cannot use this Wi-Fi network after forget. So you will have to enter password if you want to connect again. Then guys you can use this Wi-Fi network. So I hope friends you have understood how to forget Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.